guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So in my last video, I showed you guys how I did a 4 braid out, and this is what it looked like. Came out super great, so if you missed that video, definitely check it out. But this week, I'm showing you a 4 twist out. So I've already washed and conditioned my hair. I used Olaplex products, so I will have those linked down below. But to style, I will be using my own brand, goddessscurls. So if you have not tried out my brand yet, y'all, definitely check it out. I promise you will love the products. They are super hydrating. But yeah, I am going to start with my Divine Hair Elixir. This is made with peppermint oil, has castor oil, and it's just really going to help to make sure my scalp is nice and hydrated, plus promote hair growth. So I just work that on in, and I'm working on my first section. I'm only doing 4 twists, so I only have 4 sections. Then I'm going to mist my hair on down with water, detangle it with my Tangle Teezer, and then I'm going to start to moisturize, starting with the new Ravishing leave-in detangler that I just recently dropped. This is basically like your first product, your prep, your primer, just to get that moisture in, to soften the hair, get the curls, you know, clumping and defined. And this is made with aloe vera, it has shea butter, and it also is made with black castor. So I really love this product. Then I'm just going to go on top with my Enchanting Moisture Cream. This is made with sunflower oil and aloe vera, shea butter, etc. So this is going to go on top and is going to give you that hold. It's also going to help with that shine, that added moisture, etc. So these two products paired together is literally a dynamic duo. They work so good. Y'all know I'm a one and done type of girl when it comes to products, but no, these two, you need them. So yeah, I'm just going to show you what the curls are looking like, and then I'm going to smooth my hair one last time, and then I'm just going to 2-strand twist. Now this was my first time doing a 4 twist out. I think the lowest amount of twists I've ever done is like a 6 twist, which actually comes out pretty good. So I wasn't sure what to expect with this 4 twist out, but the only thing I will say that I noticed is, since obviously the twist and the sections are larger than I typically have them, I did have to consistently go in and smooth my hair with my Tangle Teezer, which I typically do anyways, but I did have to do it a lot more just to make sure everything was nice and smooth and flat. But other than that, this, you know, was literally like the same exact technique. Still took a fraction of the time since it's only 4 twists, and that's why I've been doing this, I guess maybe it's a series now, with the 4 braids and the 4 twists, because I'm a lazy natural, y'all. I just do not have the same patience I used to have, and I just want to get my hair done quick and still get some decent results. So I'm going to speed past this, fast forward, do the exact same steps to the rest of my hair, and I'll show you what my hair looks like completely twisted. Alright, you guys, so this is my hair completely twisted in the 4 twists, and honestly, just looking at them, how they look right now, I was not sure. I just wasn't very confident in this, but the show must go on, so I'm just doing a spin around so you guys can see what it's looking like. I sat underneath my hooded dryer for an hour and air dried the rest overnight like I typically do, and then this is the next day. So y'all know the drill. I'm going to take some oil to my hands, unravel these babies, which literally took 2 seconds. And again, the definition was fine, but I'm just not used to these chunkier twists. So I did go in and separate as I typically do, and while I was separating, I definitely was even more unsure of how this would turn out because there was frizz. It wasn't as defined as usual. The definition just, you guys will see. Alright, so this is me kind of looking at the camera trying to decide if I liked this or not. Initially, while I was taking it down, I was like, no, this is gonna be a fail. But once I started to like kind of fluff it, play with it, as you guys can see, stretching it out with my hands, I'm like, hold up, this isn't so bad. This is not so bad at all. This is not the worst twist out ever. I can make this work. This actually looks pretty good. Obviously, it's not the same definition, not the same look that I typically have when I do my smaller twists. But I would definitely walk out the house like this and feel like I'm cute. So I'm just going to play around with it, show you guys, you know, the definition and all that. But I actually really ended up loving this. And I think I'm just getting to the point where like, maybe I don't have to have the perfect, crisp, defined, tight curls every freaking time. Like, this actually is a look. So right here, I'm just kind of showing you what it would look like if I tucked away some hair in the front. I did this with the 4-braid braid out, but I didn't want to actually like gel and slick my hair down just because I knew I was going to style it a certain way the next day. But just to give you guys an idea of what it would look like. But yeah, y'all, honestly, overall, I was not mad at this look at all. This definitely can be jazzed up and look good, cute. It's voluminous, it's still shiny and soft, has so much like bounce to it. So I was not mad at this at all. So I definitely would recommend you to try a 4-braid or 4-twist out. But I will say the 6-twist out does come out with a bit more, you know, curl definition and less frizz. But either way, the 4-twist, 6-twist, the least amount of twists still would give you a decent look. Now, this is the next day, and I decided that I wanted to restyle because I was going out and I hadn't like done anything special to my hair in a minute. So I just went ahead and took some of this Luster's Pink Hold and Shine Gel. I really like this. This is like so comparable to Eco Style, to Wetline. The only thing is it's not as easily accessible. So I'll try to link it down below. But yeah, this works really good for slicking, for wash and goes, for all that jazz. So I just went ahead and brushed my hair up into a half up, half down style. I did take a little bit of my Enchanting moisture cream just to kind of refresh a few of the frizzy curls, and then I just diffused it real quick so it could dry pretty fast. And then this is the final look, you guys. I loved the way this half up, half down style looked. So let me know if you guys liked this 4-twist out. Would you guys do it? Have you guys? Let me know what some low maintenance styles you guys have been doing. But don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, y'all. I will see you in another video. I did do a 4 flat twist out, so that will be coming soon.